Hey guys, and welcome to this live stream where I'm going to show you a couple of new interior drawings which I recently did in Procreate on my iPad Pro. Also, at the very end of this live stream, I'll announce something absolutely brand new to my online school of sketching. I know a lot of you are waiting for that. I got a lot of emails from you from the very post with my interior sketches in Procreate. So if you're excited, stay tuned and watch this live stream till the very end. Of course, you're very welcome to ask your questions during this live stream. Don't be afraid of this thing. I'll just fix my camera shortly here so you can see the screen of my iPad. Hi Leo, hi Kachinoveth, hi Kelly, hi Laya of Xamanex, Jana Godkin, Doug Marik. Hi everybody. Alright, so with that said, hi Dizine, I'll fix my camera differently and I will rotate it. So I'll rotate it. Please let me know if you can see my iPad. I think this lamp, I'll put it for a while. Yep. I think I'll better turn this lamp off for a while so it will not be distracting us. Alright, so I want to show you first of all my new drawings which I did on iPad. Probably you've already seen a couple of my previous live streams, or maybe you even participated in, for example, this live stream challenge that I did a couple of weeks ago. Hi Sonny, hi Jane, hi Dizine. By the way, this tutorial, it's freely available on my YouTube School of Sketching. So if you haven't drawn this fragment of interior, you're very welcome. Even if you don't have an iPad, you can still draw it by using markers, for example. Also, this week was a premiere of my video on drawing this sketch. It was a time-lapsed video. I actually want to make a replay for you here during this live stream so you can see the very steps of this sketch. Basically, drawing on iPad, it is so very similar to regular drawing with pencils, so with markers, with watercolor. Basically, you have the same, absolutely the same stages. So first we want to master perspective, and then we want to of course, define our composition, basic shapes of the furniture, and finally we add some details, we fine-tune our sketch, and at the very end I just simply put my name on top. So today I want to share with you, for example, this sketch I did literally yesterday in a cafe. I got my decaf coffee and coconut milk. This is my new absolute favorite. And while I was waiting for my coffee, hi Jane, hi Artemia Valiba, hi Yachlind. While I was waiting for my decaf, I did this literally 5-minute sketch. So it is so cool if you have an iPad with you, or previously what I've done, I always had, and by the way, even now I always take a small little sketchbook, A4 or A6 format. Usually it's from Moleskine, and of course pencil, for example, or a marker, and I sketch wherever I can. Oh, by the way, look, this is such a cool combination, like regular pencil and Apple pencil. All right, so this was my yesterday sketch in a cafe. Also, I was testing perspective option here in iPad drawing. They have an amazing options like drawing guides, so you can set up perspective, you can work with the horizon line, with the vanishing point, you can play with it pretty much however you like, and it speeds up the process of creating a sketch so much. So this is my new sketch. Please let me know in the comments if you're excited to see its time lapse and final version in color when I accomplish it. So this is 2-point perspective drawing. So I was recently testing drawing guide here on iPad. Plus another new drawing which I wanted to show you. This is a classic iconic Tizza floor lamp. And I was testing different thicknesses of my Apple Pencil. For example, this one I did with a brush. This is one of my favorite brushes, by the way, Studio Pen. I used percentage just 1%. So on iPad you can play with the thickness: high sketch fladder, high dark wine, mehendi, chikmatsu. So the next one was made by making it slightly thicker. So I made it 7%. And the final one, this one, you can see that this is quite thick. I did it by using 14% thickness. This is so cool, you guys. So when you can try and test and adjust all these brushes, you can see how many brushes in different categories they have. It's absolutely amazing. And another great thing that you can create your own set. So for now, I have 3 favorite regular brushes, like my favorite is Studio Pen, 6B pencil, and dry ink. For now, I use them primarily for outlining. This is, by the way, a really great exercise for interior designers who want to draw, to incorporate drawing more into the practice. So here, as you can see, I took this floor lamp design and I started to drawing some details of it by using different thicknesses of my Apple Pencil. By the way, in my the club, so for my club members, it's an online interior design drawing platform where I post a monthly new tutorial. I'll be covering this topic. I'll be using different example and I'll be showing this concept of working with different thicknesses of black liners and drawing details, and how it can help you to improve and to level up your drawing practice. Okay, so this is, by the way, let me show you quickly a time lapse of this drawing so you can see better. Yeah, so finishing this live stream, I can tell you that iPad drawing is so great because you can build perspective so much quicker. In general, it takes faster, and another big advantage is that you don't need to scan any of your drawings, even though I really love marker interior drawing and watercolor drawing. You need to scan anything. Plus here you get really versatile colors, so colors are really pop up, they stand out. You can play with different textures, as you can see here. We even have different textures, so you can play with all these, a lot of different brushes, a lot of effects. It's absolutely incredible. So I'm really felt in love with iPad drawing and Procreate from the very first couple of hours when I uploaded this app. And of course this app, Procreate app, was the very first thing. This is how it looks, that I purchased in App Store. So at the very end, as I promised, I'll be announcing something new. So you guys, my new online course on interior sketching on iPad is Procreate is coming out soon, and I really want to get a feedback from you. For example, what kind of tutorials do you want to see in this course? Of course, I already have an outline, general outline for a program of this course. I'll incorporate, of course, perspective drawing tutorials on iPad. I'll show you how to use these grids and how to use a drawing guide so you can build your perspective faster and in a really fun way. Maybe you struggle with some particular textures. Maybe you want to master textures. For example, here, as you can see, like a marble texture. And you want to see to watch a tutorial you want to have a tutorial on that topic. Maybe it's timber, like fireplaces. Please let me know if you will be watching this on YouTube as a recording. Please let me know in the comments below on YouTube. If you're watching this Instagram live, please post a comment under my recent post, so I'll be checking it constantly. Your comments, or even better, if you, for example, email me at olga@schoolofsketching.com, because I really not very frequently check my direct messages on Instagram. I check them maybe once every 3 or 4 weeks, because it takes so much time to read them all and answer, and it's so much easier for me to answer you via email or via comments on YouTube, for example. Oh, so Jana Godkin writes shades. Oh yeah, it's actually also one of my favorite topics to teach. I really love teaching drop shadow, how shadows, cast shadows. So it's really amazing idea. I will even shades. Hi, Coffee. All right, so for now, I think I'll be rotating my camera, and I will be waiting for your questions, you guys. So if you want, I can make a quick little Q&A for you. So let me turn on my lamp and fix my iPhone once again here. Oops. Hey guys, I'm back. See me. I'll take this off. Hi Jane, hi everybody. Oh, there are some people from China. Wow, Dizine is from China. Oh, that's great. Where are you watching me from, by the way? Right now I'm in Auckland, New Zealand. It's such a sunny winter day today. So as you know, in Southern Hemisphere, it's all upside down. You know that I'm originally Russian, and I also used to live in Copenhagen, Denmark, and in Russia. My hometown is St. Petersburg. So I quite used to that July is the warmest month of the year, and here in New Zealand it's all opposite. So now it's like something like +8 degrees and it's winter. But anyway, as you can see, it's all sunny and shiny, so I can't complain. I really love soft, mild climate of Auckland and New Zealand. Hi Leo, so let me check. Hi Illustrator Olga. So please let me know if you have any questions. Oh wow, we have in California, it's Wednesday 7:30. Right now, let me tell you, in New Zealand it's the 9th of July. and it's Thursday, and it is 14 minutes past 2 p.m. Can you imagine? 14:14 it's already. Oh wow, yeah, that's incredible. We live in different days. Oh, that's so cool. Hi Jess, hi, I see Charmaine. So I'll wait for another minute for your questions, because of course I value your time, I value my time, so I don't want this live stream to be like hour long. Hi Marva, hi Camilla, Dark Wine. So you guys, I'm really waiting for your feedback when you'll be watching this on YouTube. Please do put in the comments your ideas on tutorials that you want to see in my new upcoming online course on iPad drawing for interior designers, so interior sketching in Procreate. I've already prepared like the basic outline of the program for this course, so I believe this summer for you guys who are in Northern Hemisphere, and for our winter for those who are in Australia, New Zealand, Brazil, for example, right, like in August I think I'll be already making a first launch of this online course, so I'm really waiting for your feedback. Of course, you can simply send me an email at olga@schoolofsketching.com, olga@schoolofsketching.com. Oh, Jess, exactly, she's from Brazil. Wow. Yes, it's 11:17 p.m. That's incredible. Hi, Anik. All right, guys, I can see that for now you don't have any questions. That's fine. If you'll come up with a question or with an idea, you are very welcome, as I told you, to send me an email or to put a comment under one of my recent posts here on Instagram, or if you'll be watching it on YouTube, School of Sketching, just post a comment there. All right, my dear creatives, thank you so much, and I'll save this live stream. Bye for now.